Hey everyone! If you're looking to skyrocket your YouTube views, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into some killer SEO hacks that are guaranteed to boost your visibility and get those views rolling in. First up, let's talk about keywords. Just like with Google SEO, keywords are crucial for YouTube. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find high-performing keywords in your niche. Once you've got your list, sprinkle those keywords in your video title, description, and tags. But remember, keep it natural. You don't want to keyword stuff. Next, thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see, so make it count. Use bright colors, bold text, and make sure it stands out. A great thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate, which is a big ranking factor for YouTube. Now, let's move on to engagement. YouTube's algorithm loves engagement, so ask your viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. The more interaction your video gets, the higher it will rank. And don't forget to reply to comments. This not only boosts engagement, but also builds a community around your channel. Another big tip, create longer videos. YouTube favors videos that keep people watching for longer. Aim for at least 10 minutes if you can. But remember, keep your content valuable and engaging. No one wants to watch a 10-minute video that feels like it's dragging on. Let's not forget about playlists. Grouping your videos into playlists can help increase watch time. When one video ends, the next one starts automatically, keeping viewers on your channel longer. Lastly, promote your videos on other platforms. Share them on social media. Embed them in blog posts and send them out in newsletters. The more places your videos show up, the more views you'll get. So there you have it. With these SEO hacks, you'll be well on your way to skyrocketing your YouTube views. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next video.